Hi, this is Rebecca with Assistive Technology on the Spot. We'll get you started with your AT device or program quickly and provide resources for ongoing implementation. This is the alternate spinner from AbleNet. This device provides accessibility to any game or activity that requires randomization or chance. It comes with an inner and outer overlay with pictures of dice all the way around each one. Having two means that you have the ability to roll two dice when you're playing a game. The flip side of the overlays are blank and can be written on with a dry erase marker. This is one of the alternate spinners from our lending library, and as you can see, it's been very well loved. It is one of the older models of this unit. This purple circle right here is the button to turn the dial, and I can keep hitting it and it's not going to spin again. There is a delay so that you can't just keep hitting it. Also, there is an 1/8 of an inch jack on the side, and I'm going to plug this honeybee proximity switch into the jack. So if this button is not going to work for your child or student, you can plug in any kind of switch. And see, I just made that go with, oh, there's still that delay. There we go. So we no longer have the original overlay. What we have instead is some indoor-outdoor carpeting from the dollar store, and we just cut it out to fit the alternate spinner. And what this enables us to do is quickly change out the cards we're going to need for any kind of activity that we're doing. So right now, let's say we're doing an activity for positional words. And I've got them all up there and we're ready to go. I can just take them down. And then we can move on to farm animal bingo. And I can put them all up here. So this method allows our teachers to use this with all of the cards that they already have in their classroom and use all the time. This carpeting is just held on with Velcro. And then this gives us access to the inner dial. You just turn this plastic piece until the tabs meet, and then it comes right off. The dial just pops right off. And then this is the inner spinner, and it normally is supposed to spin, but ours has, like I said, been a little bit well loved. We can write on here with dry erase markers, or we can flip it over and use the original dice. Ours just will not spin. And then inside you have access to the batteries. This takes 2 AA's. In the new models, it takes 2 C batteries, and the access to the batteries is actually on the back of the unit. And there's even a space in there for a receiver if you want to use a wireless switch with this unit. For a comprehensive list of implementation ideas and strategies for using the alternate spinner in your home or classroom, please follow the link below to our website, atforkids.com. We will also include some alternative options such as a DIY spinner for all you AT makers out there, and a free online version if there's just no money in the budget right now. You can also print out the QR code for this video and tape it to your device. This way, anyone who is working with your child or student can just scan the code with their phone and know exactly what to do. Thank you and have a great day.